going to learn what are functions in JavaScript. So how to write a Java function in JavaScript. Function is basically like a method that calls when we call it. So function syntax is basically write a function, keyword, the name of that function, and then we'll just call this function with the same name that we have given with some parentheses, with a parenthesis. So this is the basic syntax of a function. So let's create one function as add numbers and parentheses, then curly braces, and then add numbers and parentheses. So this add numbers parentheses will call the function add numbers. So inside this we will write console.log numbers are added. So if I save the changes and open it in the browser, as you can see the console statement has been executed, numbers are added. Now let's try to do something more. Let's create a variable a equals to something 10, variable b equals to something as 20, and also variable c equals to a plus b, and in console.log we will write numbers are added as c. So as you can see we have numbers are added with 30, so which means the addition has been performed a plus b. Okay, as a value was 10 and b value was 20, so it is total as 30. So this is like simply console.log. Now what if I simply return the value as a plus b? So this function will then return this value a plus b, but when the function returns, as we can see it is showing nothing in our console. So when the function returns something, this returned value needs to be cached somewhere in the value in a variable. Okay, so we should assign this return value to some variable. So let's do that by creating one more variable. So let that variable as let me write the name of variable as what we can say, let sum equals to add numbers, and we will simply console.log this sum variable, console.log sum. So as you can see we should be getting the value 30 again, because the return value has been assigned to this sum variable. This is what the return value was there. Now we will see a function with parameters. Function with parameters. So what we will do, we will pass some parameters to a function, and let's create one more variable. Let's create one more function, add num a comma b. So here we are passing some parameters a comma b, and we will simply return a plus b. So when I call this function add num, it should be assigned to a value, let's some num, some n or some value equals to add num, and we will pass some value, number value. So let that parameter should be 5,4, and let's simply console.log some value. So if I save the changes and see in the browser, we should be getting some value as 9, because 5 plus 4 is 9. So as we can see it is 9, so some value coming as 9. So if I save this, if I change the value b, we should be getting 15, because now b is 10. So this is how function works in JavaScript.